Hi everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how you can export a form from any org that you have. It could be a sandbox, or if you have multiple prod orgs, for example, you can do that in between those organizations as well. But let's say you have two different Salesforce orgs in your company, and then you created a form in one of the orgs in BreezyBit Form Builder, let's say a registration form, and you want the exact same form in the other organization. So what you can do is you can simply export this form from this organization and import it into the other one in just about 30 seconds. How you can do that is you're in the form builder page. You just need to go to the settings and then click on export clone and click on export form, which will download a JSON file for you. Don't worry, it's a JSON file, different type, but you don't need to do anything with the file. It's the export registration form JSON file, as you see here. So you just need to go to the other organization, other org, and then say new. So start creating a new form basically. And then here on this page, you just need to say import form, upload files. And then I just need to go to the downloads. It was the last one. And I just select open, and a new registration form imported, as you see here, form created for me already. So if I go back here on the list view, registration form imported is right here. I open it, and then if I go to the form builder, as you see, my form is ready here, already published with a unique URL and a QR code. You don't need to do anything else about it. So it's that easy to export a form from any org that you have, either again a sandbox or a prod org, and import it to a different org in your company. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching. Bye.